What is happening, everybody? We are back with the old Wellcraft 180 Sportsman. We're going to be cleaning this thing and getting it looking as best as we can to see what we're working with. We know it's been trashed, but we're here to save it, and we're going to be working on this one. In the meantime, I'm waiting on parts and some stuff for the Hydrosport, but I am just trying to keep it going. You know, we got to keep it going. And stay tuned. Let's see what this thing looks like. Get some good satisfaction with it. Can't wait to see what it looks like once it's all cleaned up. Go through and check some hatches. It's pretty gritty. I haven't even looked in here yet. Okay, got some wiring here. Looks like for a trolling motor plug. It's got a nice bracket on the front for a trolling motor. That's pretty cool. Looking at how to sweet GPS up here, or a depth finder. This thing's top of the line, man. Oh, that's the trolling motor plug there, I believe. Yeah. Oh yeah, dude, we got salt away that came with it. Looks like some shrimp lights. Wonder if they still work. What else we got? Oh, dude, look at these. What are these? Nikes? Think we can save these? Oh, that's the wrong side. Oh man, those are brand new. Check them out. I think we could probably like put some 5200 on the bottom of them and like go play some basketball. I'm just kidding. What else? Oh, we even got socks. Let's check down in here. Got a net. Some straps in there. This is the real ticket. Let's see what's in this guy. Oh man. It's actually pretty clean. Got a horn, air horn. Enough of that. Let's get to pressure washing it. Let's go. We're getting there. I got my partner in crime right here, Marcus. We're, you know, we got good spirits about this boat, and we're hoping the old Merc will keep on merking. But yeah, we'll be on the water soon.
To see if this thing runs later on.
Oh yeah, we got it to fire up though. You seen in the video last, it did fire up with the solenoid, so we need to see if it like stays running. And I don't even know if we're gonna do a compression test on it or not. We're probably just gonna send it, you know. If it blows up, it blows up. That's how we roll around here.
Yes, sir.
He's blown up what, 3 vehicles?
Trucks in the last 6 months?
3 trucks in the last 6 months. He does like burnouts and stuff, so burnout cars. There's one of his cars over there. It's like a Chevy Caprice, all cammed out, all crazy, and he does a whole bunch of stuff. I'm trying to get him to make a channel, but he doesn't want to do it. So yeah, let's get back to cleaning. She's quite green. It's like the same color as like Incredible Hulk.
Just a lot less pissed off.
Yeah, just a lot less pissed off. Here, let's rip these cushions off too. Yeah, looks like a bathtub. Oh, get out of here. Now we can really get back there. That's a whole lot of upholstery. I don't know. We actually saw a boat on Marketplace without all of the upholstery, and I thought it looked pretty good. I mean, you know, it's kind of a family boat, so you know the kids are going to destroy the upholstery anyways. So I think we're just going to fix it up and buff everything, and you know the kids can sit on the fiberglass. You know, they're just going to the sandbar, so should work out good. Yeehaw. Oh, she's soft, dude. This thing's like a trampoline. I don't even want to like jump too much because nah, we might do that next time or something. It's a lot more work than I thought it was gonna be. But you know, it's the way she goes, boys. Who knows where that's from? Do a little walkthrough for you guys. Cleaned up really well. Still got a little dirt in the back because the drains are clogged and I've put a pressure washer down there about 100 times, but we're gonna wait for it to dry and shoot it out with the air compressor or something. But yeah, it turned out looking pretty good. And we didn't put any chemicals on it or anything. We literally just pressure washed it just to see what we're working with. So this, I mean, I'd say it's a success. The old Merc doesn't look too bad, but little overall, it's really chalky, really chalky. So it needs definitely some wax, but we'll get there. At least it's not moldy and mildew looking. One step closer. Bringing it back from the dead. I can't believe we got this thing for free. That's insane. Like, what? What is going on, man? Looks really good. Thank you guys so much if you watched this far. I appreciate you more than you know. And we're working on this one in the meantime. We're waiting on parts on the Hydrosport. I got some in today, so I'll be doing something on that, but just trying to keep the progress going. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.